Today, boys and girls, we're going to be talking about a decoding and encoding pattern called vowel teams. You will come across these as you get into harder texts. The first is, what is a vowel team? If you look, you will see that sometimes you will have vowel teams in the middle of the word. So you have a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Sometimes you'll have two consonants before, then you'll have your two vowels together. Or sometimes you'll have your two vowels followed by two consonants. So a vowel team is two vowels that are together. You cannot cut these vowels, you cannot separate these vowels because they make one sound. There are several different examples of different vowel teams. So you might see EE in a word, EA, OA, OE. These are just some examples. The two that we are going to be focusing on are the E teams. So like I said, they are both together. You cannot separate them, and they're going to make one sound. They usually say the name of the first letter. So two E's, EE says E. EA, one sound, name of the first letter, and that's also E. Here are some examples of some words with the EE vowel team. Feet is a great example. Week is another one. And queen. So when you're sounding these words out like feet, even though you probably already know the word, you would say f, e, t, feet. For the next one, w, e, k, week. And for our final word, qu, e, n, queen. So when I was sounding out the words, I made one sound for my vowel team. EA, some examples of some words that have that pattern in it. So let's take a look. When I'm sounding out my word, I notice there's a vowel team. One sound, one sound, one sound. So for my first word, I would say l, e, d, lead, like lead the pack. Our next word, p, e, ch, peach. Our third word, r, e, ch, reach. So it's important when you're sounding out a word that makes one sound. It's also important when you're spelling words to remember this vowel team. Now I know there are going to be words that you come across like home, H-O-M-E, that has the magic E. And you might have words that say E in it, but for the most part you're going to be using these vowel teams, E, E-A. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a list of words. I'm going to say the word 2 times. I want you to write the word down on your homework assignment, your spelling list sheet, because you're going to bring this in tomorrow and I'm going to see how you spell these words, and then we'll fix them if we need to. Number 1, you're just writing the word, is speech. I go to speech on Tuesdays. Speech. Number 2, need. I need a vacation. Need. Number 3, cheek. So the word is cheek. Touch her cheek gently. cheek. Number 4, weep. Weep means to cry. Weep. Number 5, sweet. My teacher is so sweet. Sweet. Number 6, peel. Peel the banana carefully. Peel. Number 7, creep. You should not creep around someone's house at night. You might spook them. Creep. Do your best as you're spelling these words. You might know the vowel team that goes in there, whether it's EE or EA, and you might not. Try both out, see which one looks right. Number 8 is reach. I cannot reach the telephone. Can you get it for me? Reach. Number 9, lead. Lead by example. Lead. Number 10, deal. Let's make a deal. Deal. Cheap. My toy is so cheap it broke the second I took it out of the box. Cheap. Number 12, clean. Clean your room. Clean. Number 13, year. We are in the year 2013. Year. Number 14, feast. I hope we have a giant feast on Thanksgiving. Feast. And 15, each. Each friend has $3. Each. Now, if you missed a word, you can always rewind backwards and try to listen to them again. Doesn't hurt. Double check them. Mom and Dad do not have to check this. I will check it tomorrow when I see you. All right? Have a good night.